The National Weather Service in Paducah has issued a severe thunderstorm warning for southeastern Union County, Illinois, Pulaski County, Illinois, Massac County, Illinois, central Pope County, Illinois, southern Johnson County, Illinois, western Livingston County, Kentucky, Ballard County, Kentucky, McCracken County, Kentucky, until 7 p.m. At 6:22 p.m., severe thunderstorms were located along a line extending from near Thames to near Carroll, moving east at 55 miles per hour. Expected hazards include 70 miles per hour wind gusts. This is a radar-indicated threat. The following impacts are expected. Expect considerable tree damage. Damage is likely to mobile homes, roofs, and outbuildings. Locations impacted include Barkley Regional Airport, Mound City, Ledbetter, Pulaski, Keble, Reedland, Smithland, Mounds, Paducah, Joppa, Olin, Karnak, Brookport, Lovelessville, Olmsted, New Columbia, Golconda, La Center, Belknap, and Hamletsburg. This includes the following highways: Interstate 24 in Kentucky between mile markers 1 and 17. Interstate 24 in Illinois between mile markers 18 and 38. Interstate 57 in Illinois between mile markers 5 and 23. Repeating, a severe thunderstorm warning has been issued until 7 p.m. for the following counties: in Illinois, Johnson, Massac, Pope, Pulaski and Union, and the following counties: in Kentucky, Ballard, Livingston and McCracken.